Okay, well, I've got the first 2 tomatoes of the year off the beefsteaks. They're not overly big, not as big as some of them are going to be. As you can see there, that one's quite large, and there's quite a few other large ones in here. Slowly, very slowly ripening. There's more up under there. Right, well, we had a big storm here last night, massive storm, and it's blown one of the greenhouses over. Absolutely devastated it. Look at that. So, I'm actually going to knock these down over winter and put a permanent one up here. So I need to somehow temporarily fix it up and just stand it up a bit so we can get the tomatoes off it in a few weeks when they ripen. So that's what I'm going to have a crack at now. See how I go. I don't want to do anything too fantastic, just as long as I can get it standing up a bit better. Oh God, you need to be a bloody dwarf in here when it's like this. This is ridiculous. So I have absolutely no idea how to fix this. Yeah, okay. So that's standing there. I don't know where all the pieces have even like gone. So this will be an absolute whole lot of fun. Yeah, look at that. Ugh. Tell you what, I'd probably be just better pulling everything off it, but I'm not going to. I'll stick at it and try to get these tomatoes out, because we have some really nice tomato plants in here with nice tomatoes on them. So I'll battle on here, see how I go. Yeah, okay, it's a bit of a circus in here, but it's the best I could do. I'm certainly not pulling it down, making it look a picture. We've still got some tomatoes in here. But I've got to say, I'm pretty disappointed with this hothouse. I really started off with good intentions with it. Thought it was going to be pretty good, but it's turned out absolutely crap. Anyway, we'll see how we go. As I said, we've got some nice tomatoes coming on here that we want to try to get to survive this hothouse. So we'll just keep trucking along. Let's get out of here. Well, good morning everyone. I'm on a mission. We've got a cow out. She knocked the fence over, or knocked the gate open, so I need to go and get her back in before the others get out. I've got the gear here, fence strainer, big pliers, go and get a bit of bread, get her back over, and the job will be done. Okay, she's through here. There she goes. Yeah, go on, get up. Get up. Hopefully she'll go through there. That's where she got in, knocked the fence down. They got a habit of putting their head through the string lock fencing, and yeah, they push it over or break it or whatever. Anyway, she's back in. We'll do it up, and all's good. Monday morning, let's go and move some cows. Right, first thing I've got to do is just move this bit of electric fence over to the other side of the gate here, because I think it's probably going to be easier just to move them straight up through here. Next thing we've got to do is take this old fence down here so they can get up in this area and eat a bit of the grass that's up there. So I don't think this is going to be easy. Taking this down might be easier than what it looks, but we'll give it a go anyway. Try to take it down, pull it around, and spread a bit of the food out for them. Yeah, okay, I nearly got zapped. I remembered at the last moment, the electric wire that's actually holding them in where they are now behind me is live. I hooked it up. So what I normally do, I've got a little handle on down here. These are really handy things, these electric handles. Just hook it onto the post there. I still think this is on until I do what I need to do. And then they can run up the side of the hill there. And away they go. Always one that messes around, isn't there? So I might as well give you the whole rundown. So now what I'm going to do is shut this gate, because what their habit is when they finish up there, they usually walk down, take a right here and go out that bottom gate down there. So we'll shut this one, open the bottom one, and that gives them access to the pond. And that's got it. We'll just put this electric wire across here. I don't want to touch it because it's live. Yep, I think that'll do. The good thing about the cows being up there where they are is that we can actually see them from over home, so that's pretty good. Okay, well, I've got the first 2 tomatoes of the year off the beefsteaks. They're not overly big, not as big as some of them are going to be. As you can see there, that one's quite large, and there's quite a few other large ones in here. That's going to be a beauty, that one. Look at that one. But they're going great. Slowly, very slowly ripening. There's more up under there. But at least now we've got some ripening. It's pretty good, so we'll continually start to get some ripening from now on. Just having a look around to see if there's any more. We've got like a nice bunch here, even though they're slow ripening. So we'll put these 2 on the bench inside. We'll let them ripen just a little bit more. Then we'll whack them on some toast and have them for breakfast. That'll be pretty damn nice.